Oh, all right, it finally stopped raining. Oh, that's not good. Oh, dang. Why is this thing whistling while I'm driving? My windows are up. That is so annoying. I'm gonna have to check this out. Oh man, that noise was super annoying. Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. So I was driving down the road, I had a lot of noise coming from my door seal. Of course, other than the noise, there are other issues that you want to pay attention to if you're having an issue with the door seal. Luckily for us, 1AAuto.com has everything we're going to need to be able to fix this problem. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've got the seal from 1A Auto. Of course I'm going to install it, but what I want to talk about is the seal that's in the vehicle. It's common when your seals get old, they get a little flattened out, dry, and maybe even cracked or brittle over time. Other times you might happen to find that you have small damage on the seal itself. Something like this might not seem like it's such a big deal, but if moisture or something can make its way in there, it might end up dripping its way out. Now, of course, this damage is mostly on the outside. You could still get a little bit of moisture, but as I'm coming around this a little bit more, I'm starting to see that there's actually an area right here that I can stick my finger right through. Moisture can make its way right down through here. It's going to sit in this area, make its way down into the door panel. On a lot of base model vehicles, they're not going to have very much electrical systems inside the door. Something like this, there isn't too much you have to worry about. Of course, having moisture on your door handles or anything else can be a little bit annoying, but you don't have any switches that you have to worry about so much. But typically, there is going to be some sort of door speaker. Other cars are going to have a lot more electrical systems in the door. Inside this door, you can tell I have a lot more electrical switches. We have our master window switch, door lock switch, and our power mirrors. These are all electrical components, and they don't like moisture. All right. Now behind this area, you're going to find that you have a big old circuit board. That's how everything's controlled electrically. Electrical components don't like moisture, and of course, you might potentially find corrosion. Moisture making its way in through your door seal can even accumulate on the windshield through condensation and evaporation. Okay, so stick with me here. I'm going to talk about what the most important issue you could potentially have if you find that you have a damaged door seal. If you had moisture making its way down into the passenger compartment, it's going to sit on things such as maybe your seat, your floorboard, or even your headliner. When it sits there for too long, you could potentially build up mold. Those mold spores make their way into the air if you got the windows down. It's going to make its way into your lungs, and you could develop health issues. Okay, friends, that's what I've got for you if you're having issues with your door seal. Go to 1AAuto.com, order yourself a new one, watch the video on how to install it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something. If there's something in the video that you think somebody might be interested in, go ahead and share it with them. If you like the video or love the video, smash on the like button for me. It would mean the world. While you're at it, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell. That way there you, all of your friends, can be kept up with all of our latest content. Thanks.